I think it's time to give up.
Give up? Give up? I am a monkey, and monkeys do not give up, and we will get Olive out. Now, who's gonna be a monkey with me?
Well, you're pretty much the only monkey here.
Fine. But together, we can make a friend. But we need to fight for her. Don't you want to fight for a friend? Of course you do. For like me, you don't know the meaning of giving up.
Yes, we do.
Yeah, we do.
I don't know, do we?
It means quitting.
For a new friend!
This isn't good. Especially in crocodile-infested waters.
No crocodiles! Well, just because Olive wants to hide inside her castle doesn't mean she doesn't want a friend. Everyone wants a friend, right?
So, yeah, good to ponder.